Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll show you why is Notion AI transfer delayed 2026. If your Notion AI response or transfer output generation is delayed in 2026, here are some common reasons. Server-side processing delay. Notion AI works on servers, so responses may slow down during peak usage. Heavy workspace or large pages. Pages with large databases, images, or complex content take more time to process. Slow or unstable internet. Since Notion is cloud-based, poor internet can delay responses. Device performance issues. Low RAM or older devices can slow down both Notion and AI. Usage limits or high demand. Heavy usage or system load may temporarily slow the AI. App glitches or bugs, software issues or recent updates can cause delays. In short, Notion AI delays usually happen because of server load, heavy pages, slow internet, or device performance issues. If the problem continues, simplify your page, improve your internet, or try again later. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching!